Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Visa Benefits app is and how it's positioned. The Visa Benefits app is a travel and lifestyle companion app developed by Visa that allows eligible cardholders to explore and access benefits linked to their Visa cards. According to official App Store listings, it brings together different categories of benefits including travel, purchase protection, concierge services, and subscription-related perks in one place. Users can generate a travel certificate and activate a travel kit feature, which are described as tools to support travel-related benefits and services. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Official descriptions also state that the app includes access to virtual medical consultations during international travel, allowing users to connect with licensed doctors through video calls. The app allows users to view and redeem available benefits tied to their specific Visa card, which may vary depending on card type, issuing bank, and region. It is clearly noted in official sources that the app currently supports Visa cards issued in Latin America and the Caribbean, and may not work with cards from other regions such as the United States or Europe. Some general Visa sources also highlight that card benefits can include protections, alerts, and travel-related perks, though not all of these are guaranteed within the app itself and may depend on the card provider. This app may be useful for travelers who want a centralized place to check and use their Visa card benefits while on the move. For users who frequently travel internationally and have eligible Visa cards, this could be an option depending on regional availability and card eligibility. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.